And I'd like to take this opportunity. Meron kasing coral harvesting kaming na-notice. Yung swarming areas nila, we pinpointed it. And then when they left, we sent out our divers. We sent out our divers to do an underwater survey. And nakita namin na wala nang corals, nasira na yung mga corals, and there may mga debris. So these are untrained eyes of the Navy divers. So we are coordinating with yung mga scientists, yung mga expert to do their own assessment of the area. So we already have the pinpointed areas na dati silang nagsuswarm. So we are not making any conclusions at this time. It's a work in progress, but we just want to report that we notice coral harvesting in the area where they were seen loitering and swarming. Sabi ko kanina, in early July, we sent out our ships there. Napaalis natin na Itaboy. Immediately after they left, we sent out our divers. So it's sometime in July. Wala na natira eh. In the area, wala na natira doon. So hindi namin alam. So we were coordinating with the experts to dive. And dati na ba yun? O bago lang? From our untrained eye, nung ating mga diver, mukhang bago. We cannot say with 100% na tama sila because hindi nga sila mga expert. But just a naked eye, untrained eye, mukhang bagong hakot yung mga corals. The presence is already alarming because we have the sovereign rights there in our exclusive economic zone. Now, ito namang suspetsa pa lang natin. We are not saying that they are harvesting our corals. We suspect that somebody is harvesting our corals, and that means that they are violating our sovereign rights. Tayo lang may karapatan sa resources sa West Philippine Sea. And it looks like somebody is exercising that right without our permission. So that's why it's alarming because as far as the Western Command is concerned, it is our duty to protect that sovereign rights para sa mga Pilipino. Sila dapat ang mag-enjoy ng resources na nandoon sa exclusive economic zone.